Yeah. Oh, hey, how's it going? It's really good to see you. In this video, we're talking about how one of these two milk pitchers, milk jugs for pouring latte art, changed my life. No joke. Hit that like button down below. More on that in a second, because today is a very special day for our family because
today we find out the gender of baby number 2.
Today is the day. Now the unfortunate part is, here's the ultrasound clinic. I'm not allowed to go inside because of COVID-19. Kasha just texted me they were able to see the gender. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited and so nervous. Oh my goodness. Well, what does this have to do with milk pitchers? Well, I have a couple competition style milk pitchers that I want to talk to you guys about shortly, but we have a blue one and a pink one, and we want to reveal our baby based on the color of this milk pitcher. Now, before I reveal what gender our baby is, and oh my goodness, we just found out. Wow, crazy times. I want to talk about some milk pitchers real quick because I feel like this is a topic that isn't talked about a ton. There are some great milk pitchers out there, but there are a lot of options. You've got your budget options on Amazon for $10 to $15 milk pitchers, and those do the job. And then you've also got competition style pitchers that make amazing latte art. And when you see those swans and those fancy tulips and some of the best baristas in the world, they're not using an average pitcher. And so today I want to talk about real quick what pitcher I use and what pitcher I have been using and recommend it to you. So I already kind of mentioned that I have a blue and pink one, and these were actually sent to me by Slow Pour Supply. So I want to preface this and say I didn't pay for these. They did send these to me, but if I'm honest with you guys, had they not sent me these pitchers, I probably would have bought them anyways. No, this video is not sponsored, and no, they're not paying me to say any of this. I just love their products a lot. I'll link them down below for you so you can check them out. Now, I actually have a few Slow Pour Supply pitchers. I've got these, obviously my pink and blue ones, which we're gonna reveal the gender of the baby with. And then I've also got a smaller 10-ounce pitcher. And there's a big difference in these two pitchers because the spout is completely different on this one. This one is a narrow spout, and this is a rounded spout. So here are the two spouts. I don't know if you can see them up close. This is the rounded spout, and then this guy right here is the narrow spout. Now these are two different size of pitchers. And again, these are designed to make great latte art. That's what makes these so awesome. The rounded spout, what I found personally to be my favorite, if I'm honest with you, is that it can create some really great lines. So if you've ever been to a cafe and the barista hands you a latte that has some really clear lines in the latte art, and you're like, wow, that's impressive. How do you make art like that? It's probably with a great pitcher like this, as this one's great for doing slow pours. It's really good for having clear lines within your milk. Where I find with the narrow one, this one's really precise. It's almost like a fine paintbrush. It's really good. I just don't prefer it because I find it very hard to do nice clean lines. This is very good for a very condensed pours. Probably start off with a rounded spout like this guy right here. I'm gonna link Prometheus's video down below. He explains it a lot better than I am right now. And I think that, yeah, this is definitely something that's just a niche. Obviously, this is not necessary. I'm not saying you need to buy a competition pitcher, but this is one of those things, as somebody who's into espresso and making lattes and flat whites, it's one of those things that you really do begin to appreciate. I know there are some companies like Fellow that have some, and some other companies like, I believe it's called Jibby Wiggles. They're all great. I mean, come on, check this out. Look how pink that is. Look at this blue. Hot pink. I mean, those are two very different pinks. You can really pour some great art with these, and they're just nice to hold. They're made of great materials, and they're different sizes. So this one's a 450 milliliter one, and again, this is 10 ounce, which I'm not sure what that works out to. Somebody let me know in the comments down below. But this one's great for flat whites. I find this one's great for different drinks like small lattes. I've been trying to get into latte art, and you have a pitcher, maybe it came with your machine, or you've been gifted a pitcher, and you're like, man, I keep watching these videos and they're telling me to do this, and I'm trying to steam the milk. I'm trying to make a heart, and it's just not coming out. I'm thinking about doing a how to steam your milk video, maybe some latte art tutorials. If that's something you're into, hit the like button, comment down below. I don't know what you're into. This is a relationship. You gotta tell me, we gotta talk. Let me know down below. In comparison, I've got some other milk pitchers on my brew bar here that I've had for a few years. I've got this Breville one that was given to me with my Barista Express. And it's okay. I mean, it's brushed stainless steel and it will do the job fine. The pitcher itself isn't really designed for pouring latte art, but it will steam your milk well. And then I've got this Espresso one, which is kind of fancy. It kind of looks kind of funny. It kind of looks like one of those like Hershey Kisses. And it's cool, it's bigger. How is this gonna work? What are we doing?
Okay, so Brooks is gonna be holding a mug. Fingers crossed he actually does. And then we're each going to hold one of the milk pitchers. And the milk pitcher that the milk comes out of is the gender of little baby number 2.
Okay.
Ready? No.
Wow, ready?
Say hi.
Hold this, ready?
Say hi.
1,
2.
2.
Put it in front of you then. Is that better? Can you count to 3 with us? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We're having a boy! Well, we're having another boy, and I want to say huge shout outs to Slow Pour Supply for hooking us up with these awesome milk pitchers. Go check them out again, I'll link them down below. If you found this video at all entertaining or learned something from it, hit that like button, it really does help, and consider subscribing if you're new around here. We're talking about coffee a lot, and we would be honored if you would join along. Love you guys, we'll see you guys in the next one, and in the meantime, continue to brew great coffee and continue to brew at home. Peace. We'll see you next time. So in this envelope is the gender, and so we're gonna open this up and then we'll tell you guys later what it was. We're having a boy again. Oh, right. Wow.
Our house is gonna be insane.
Okay, look at yourself in the screen. Oh no, it's a nightmare for you. It's okay.
Did you want a sister?
Oh.